everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about the one thing, the real secret to getting amazing results when you're learning English, and that secret is consistency. It's the magic ingredient that turns tiny efforts into huge progress. So let's dive right in with a problem that I bet feels, well, pretty familiar to a lot of us. It's that super frustrating cycle where you start something new, you're all fired up, and then poof, the energy is just gone. Does that sound familiar? You know the feeling, right? You buy the new notebooks, you download all the apps, you tell everyone you're finally gonna master English, and then a week later, life gets in the way and all that motivation just fizzles out. It's okay, this happens to pretty much everyone. And here's what I really want you to hear. If this has happened to you, it absolutely does not mean you failed. It just means you've hit a classic roadblock. But the good news? There's a way to get over it for good. Okay, so how do we actually break this cycle? Well, the secret isn't about finding some magical source of motivation. Nope. It's all about understanding the incredible power of doing small things every single day. This definition right here is key. Consistency isn't a feeling. It's not about waiting until you're in the mood. It's a choice. It's the simple act of doing the work, especially on those days when you'd rather do anything else. That's where the progress is really made. Just think about it for a second. Who do you think really improves faster? Person A, who crams for 2 hours, but only on Sunday? Or person B, who just does 15 minutes, but does it every single day? It's a no-brainer, right? It's always person B. That daily habit builds momentum that one big study session just can't match. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? We always think we need to make some giant, heroic effort. But the truth is, real, lasting success comes from all those little steps we take day after day. So why is this so powerful? Well, think of it like this. Every day you practice, even for a few minutes, you're watering a plant. The growth might be slow, but it's happening. And with each little win, your confidence grows, you learn faster, and pretty soon, that thing that felt so hard becomes totally automatic. All right, so we get why it's so important. Now for the really good part, how do we actually build this habit? Let's walk through a super simple 5-step plan you can literally start using right now. Here's your roadmap. First, start ridiculously small. I mean, so small you can't possibly say no. Second, have a clear, tiny goal, like learn 5 new words. Third, hook it to a routine. Do it at the same time every day. Fourth, and this is a big one, do it even when you feel lazy. And finally, track it. Seeing a chain of check marks is some of the best motivation you can get. And if you're thinking, okay, but what does small even look like? Here are some dead simple ideas. A 10-minute podcast on your commute, 5 new flashcards with your morning coffee, reading 1 short article. Just pick one. Make it so easy that you can't fail. Okay, so we've got a plan, but we also need to be on the lookout for the common traps. You know, the things that can totally wreck our progress before we even get started. Let's talk about what to watch out for. Here are some of the biggest habit killers. The worst one might be waiting for motivation to show up. It's just not reliable. Another is trying to be perfect. And this ties into not giving up after one bad day. Listen, you will miss a day. It happens. The goal isn't a perfect streak. It's just to get right back on track the very next day. So let's bring this all together. Let's wrap up with the single most powerful mindset that will carry you forward, not just in English, but in basically anything you want to achieve. This might be the golden rule of consistency. We all have those days. We're tired, we're stressed, we're just not feeling it. On those days, don't try to be a hero. Just do something. Learn 1 word, read 1 sentence. Just show up. Your only goal is to not break the chain. And look, if there's only one thing you remember from our time together, please let it be this. It is not about being perfect. It is about showing up. Every single day you show up, no matter how small the effort, is a win. That's how you build the future you want. So let's make this real. I have a question for you. Right now, before you do anything else, decide, what is the one tiny, almost effortless step you're going to take today? Because your journey to mastering English doesn't start tomorrow. It starts with that one small action, right now.